Let us discuss a problems on the multiple integral. In that, the topic is applications of the multiple integrals. In the applications where we can apply the multiple integrals means the area enclosed by a plane curve. In that, we can apply the double integral. Volume as a double integral, volume as a triple integral. Fourth one is change of variables in a triple integral and center of the gravity. In those cases, we can apply the multiple integrals if it is a double or triple integrals. Okay. The first topic is area enclosed by a plane curve. Area enclosed by a plane curve means in XY plane, we can define the curve. Either it is X is equal to some A and X equal to B, or the two lines in that the curves are bounded by. So the area enclosed by the planes, this is this is equal to y is equal to f of x is the lower curve, y is equal to g of x is the upper curve. So the area enclosed by a plane curve means the limits of the functions are y is equal to f of x and y equal to g of x. The x limits are a and b. Then the area of the region in the xy plane means dx dy equal to, or the x is equal to a to b and y is equal to f of x to g of x. First we are integrating with respect to y, then integrating with respect to x. Whatever we get the value, that is the area enclosed by a plane curves with the lines. Okay. This is the Cartesian form. In the polar form, the area enclosed by the curves means we can take double integral over the region capital R, small r, dr, d theta. That is nothing but r is the radius, theta is the angle. Now let us discuss a problem on the area enclosed by the curve. The first problem is find the area enclosed by the curve as the parabolas x square equal to y and y square equal to x. Here, two parabolas they have given. Let it be given parabolas are, one is x square equal to y, let it be equation 1, and the second one y square is equal to x. This is the equation 2. Here x square equal to y, then y square, x square equal to y. From this, y square means y square equal to x square whole square, that is equal to x. Okay. Or we can take x square equal to y, that is nothing but equation 1. Substitute in y square equal to x or in equation 2. Then y square equal to x means y equal to x square, y square equal to means x square whole square equal to x. From this, x to the power of 4 minus x equal to 0, x is taking common, x cube minus 1 equal to 0. One factor is x equal to 0, another one is x cube minus 1 equal to 0. From this, x cube equal to 1 means the value of x is equal to 1, then we get another one is the complex roots. Okay, we are taking the real values only here. The limits of x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, substitute in that. We can take x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 means y equal to x square and y square equal to x. Both are the parabolas. We can draw the two parabolas. One is x square, this is the y square is equal to x means y value is positive. Y square equal to x means x is the y, we can take either negative or positive, then the x value is positive means then it is the curve of y square equal to x. Another one is x square equal to y means x we can take positive or negative, we can get the y is equal to positive. So here the lower curve and upper curve, what are the lower curves, what is the upper curve? We can take the strip, anything. The intersecting point is one is 0, 0, another one is 1, 1. If we can substitute x equal to 0, we get y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Here, the lower curve means we start from 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Okay. From 1, if we can take x equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to, if x equal to 0, we get the y equal to 0, and x equal to 1, we get the y equal to 1. Okay. And the limits y is equal to x square means from this x equal to, we are taking the positive quadrant, that is root y, and x equal to y square. X equal to y square. One is the root y and another one is the y square. Okay. X equal to y square means here, what is the lower curve? Y square, this is the upper curve. This is the upper, this is the lower curve. It is equal to x square equal to y. Then x equal to root y. This is the lower curve and it is the upper curve. We can take 1 to 0, 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means we are taking the y, x square equal to y. The 0 is the here, y square equal to x. In this, the main thing, you can take anything. If you take x equal to 0, x equal to 1, then the expression of the function y in x, another one is the x square, another one is the root x. Okay. If you take y equal to 0 and y equal to 1 are the functions, that is nothing but the O point. O is equal to intersecting point 0, 0 and P is equal to 1, 1. Okay. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. The required area. What is the required area? The bounded by the two curves, that is equal to over region dy dx, that is the required area. In this, suppose we can take y limits 0 to 1, then x expressed in y means x equal to y square to root y, and dy dx. Or dx dy. Here we can take what is the lower limit, what is the upper limit. Lower limit is equal to y square, upper limit is equal to root y. Okay, that is the case. Here we can apply it. It is equal to integral y equal to 0 to 1 means we are differentiating with respect, we are integrating with respect to x means 1 dx is x limits from y square to root y dy, integral 0 to 1 root y minus y square into dy, y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limits from 0 to 1, y square integration is y cube by 3, limits from 0 to 1. 1 power 3 by 2 is 1 by 3 by 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus 0. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Area in the square units. Therefore, the required region of capital R dy dx is equal to 1 by 3 square units bounded with the parabolas x square equal to y, y square equal to x. Here main thing, what is the lower limit and what is the upper limit. Here upper curve to lower curve. Here this is the bounded above, bounded below, bounded above minus the above area minus below the area. We are getting the area is always positive, so we get the positive value. For that we can take upper limit minus lower limit. The second case is the second problem. Find the area enclosed or bounded by. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Here also two are parabolas. One is y square equal to 4ax. The x value is positive. For y is negative or positive, then this is equal to y square is equal to 4ax, and x square equal to 4ay means this is equal to it is the 4ay. This is x square equal to 4ay. How we can draw it means either x is a positive or negative, y is the positive only. So y is positive in the above the x-axis. And here, this is the right side of the x-axis, y-axis is the x values are positive. First, we can take the given curves. Given curves are, one is y square is equal to 4ax, let it be equation 1. And the second one is x square equal to 4ay, that is equation 2. From equation 1, x is equal to y square by 4a, substitute in equation 2. So y square by 4a whole square equal to 4a y. From this, y to the power of 4 by 4 4s are 16a square equal to 4a into y. The cross multiply it. Y to the power of 4 minus 4a whole cube into y equal to 0. Y is taking common. Y cube minus 4a whole cube equal to 0. One is y equal to 0, another one is y equal to 4a. So x equal y equal to 0, then x square equal to 0. From this x equal to 0. Y equal to 4a, then x square equal to 4a into 4a. We are taking the positive from this x equal to 4a. So the intersecting points are, one is 0, 0 and another one is 4a, 4a. Here also we can take the upper curve. This is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. From this x square, x equal to y square equal to 4a, or y square equal to 4ax means y equal to root. From this y equal to root 4ax. This is equal to y equal to x square by 4a. Okay. Now we can take the upper curve minus lower curve. Means we can take the upper curve is root 4ay, root 4ax or root 4a. Integral over R, area What is the question? Area of the region. Area of the region bounded by the curves equal to in double integral over r dx dy is equal to, we can take anything, either x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 to 4a integral x equal to y square by 4a to root 2a y dx dy. It is equal to y equal to 0 to 4a, and x integration is, dx integration is x, 1 dx means x, limits from y square by 4a to 2 root ay dy. It is equal to integral y equal to 0 to 4a 2 root ay minus y square by 4a, upper limit minus lower limit into dy, equal to 2 root a, root y integration is y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limits from 0 to 4a, minus y square integration is y cube by 3. 4a is right outside the denominator, limits from 0 to 4a. Is equal to 2 to the 4 by 3 root a into 4a whole power 3 by 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 4 3 is 12a into 4a whole cube minus 0 is equal to 4 by 3 root a means a power 3 by 2 means we can write it as a root a 2 square, that is 2 power 3. 2 square 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 by 12. 4 4s are 16. 4a into 4a into 4a. 4 1s are 4 3s are. 2 get cancelled. Here it is equal to 4 by 3. A root a into a square, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 8a square minus 1 by 3, 4 4s are 16, a cube equal to 8 4s are 32. Here in the denominator a is there, this a cancel, 4a cancel, here also 12a square only, 16a square. 32 minus 16 into a square by 3 equal to 16a square by 3 is the answer. That is the area bounded by the curves. Third problem, find the area of a plate in the form of a quadrant of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here, first of all, we can find the area. The given ellipse equation is the ellipse equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In the quadrant means the ellipse is like this. In the quadrant means we can take only the first quadrant. In that, what is the limits of x equal to and y equal to. Here, the y square by a b square equal to, let it be equation 1 from 1. Y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. That is equal to a square minus x square by a square. From this, y square equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. We can take the positive quadrant, means y equal to under root of a square minus x square, b by a right outside. Why? Because that has square. Okay. And here for x limits, in that, for that put y equal to 0 in equation 1, then x square by a square equal to 1. From this, x square equal to a square, x equal to plus or minus 1, sorry, plus or minus a, this is equal to minus a comma 0, it is equal to a comma 0. Here in the quadrant form means the x limits from 0 to a, and this curve has the limits, it is in the curve form. Okay, the y is 0 to, the curve is the b by a square minus x square is the upper curve. Therefore, y limits from 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square. X limits from 0 to a. Here in the quadrant means x limits from 0 to a. Here the area of the region enclosed in the ellipse, that is equal to double integral over r dx dy is equal to, here x is equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to under root of a square minus x square before b by a into dx dy or dy dx. Now first we integrate with respect to y, then x limits from 0 to a. Integral 1 dy is y limits from 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square dx. X limits from 0 to a, b by a, upper limit is a square minus x square, lower limit is 0 into dx. Here b by a right outside, and integration of a square minus x square, that is the formula, that is the x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, limits from 0 to a, it is equal to b by a. Upper limit means when we can substitute here in the place of x equal to a square minus a square, it is 0. 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse 1 minus, substitute 0 means it becomes 0. Sine inverse 0 is 0, it's 0. That is equal to b by a square by 2 sine inverse 1. 1a cancel. Sine inverse 1 means that is the pi by 2, ab by 2 into pi by 2 equal to area of the region is equal to double integral over r dx dy equal to ab pi by 4 is the answer. It is the area means the units are square units.